Some New York hospitals are going to great lengths to recoup unpaid bills. In some cases, they're suing patients, going directly after their wages. And now advocates fear the people being targeted by these lawsuits are the ones who are living paycheck to paycheck.
All right, Richard Jacobus has more on how they're now calling on the governor to make it stop.
During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, private nonprofit hospitals across the state were praised for saving lives. Now some of those same hospitals are coming under fire as they look to recover unpaid medical bills from their patients.
What we saw was that every hospital by law in New York State is a 501c3 charity. And what we identified was that, over the last 5 years, they had sued 53,000 New Yorkers.
Elizabeth Benjamin is a co-author of a new report released Wednesday by the Community Service Society of New York, a nonprofit that looks to protect consumers in health care. What they found is that more than 100 hospitals from Syracuse to Queens sued thousands of patients from 2015 to 2020 over unpaid debts. The hospitals would win the case by default, resulting in wage garnishment and liens on homes from patients who could barely afford to pay rent.
They worked at Walmart. They worked in nursing homes. They worked in, Corning Glass Company, like manufacturing plants, or Feggy yogurts. Like, these are low-waged jobs.
There is a bill that passed the state legislature back in May. It would protect New Yorkers who fall into medical debt from wage garnishment and liens on homes. Governor Kathy Hochul has yet to sign it.
No person should be having a lien placed on their home or their wages garnished because they can't pay a medical bill. Like, that's just, in my opinion, that's un-American.
The governor's office did not get back to us tonight. Northwell Health, New York's largest healthcare provider, says it does not garnish wages, place liens on homes, or sue any patient who qualifies for financial assistance. A spokesperson for Northwell Health says they have also paused all legal activity since April 2020. We're in Forest Hills, Queens. Richard Jacobus, Fox 5 News.